just had my delivery of my new computer. It is an Asus VivoBook RYZEN 7 with a terabyte of hard drive. Open it up. In search of incredible. It feels quite heavy in the box. Oh, but, it's actually quite thin. 14-inch. That looks right. Looks right. Really slim. So I wanted a portable one. See which way to open. Screen looks okay. It's got the highlighted thing. The RYZEN 7. Okay, we got, looks like HDMI, USB, and C as well on that side. Got a card reader, another 2 USBs on that side. Right, let's get it charged up and see how it works. Let's see what else we get in the box, if there's anything else. It's got some manuals. Some sort of stickers. I don't know what you would want them for. Where's the charge? There should be a power pack in here somewhere. There we go. Oh, quite a slim power charge with a normal kettle lead to go into it. And that looks like about it as far as I can tell. Yeah, just cardboard. You can change your screensaver same as anyone. At the bottom you just move down, pops up the new win display if you're not used to that. So you got your left one, it brings up your pinned programs and files you've been opening. Press your magnifying glass, you got your search. Okay, so you got your Microsoft Store, your emails there, your basic stuff, a couple others I've got open there, and that's it. And thanks for joining me. This is Mike Furyan signing off, and may God the Creator always be with you.